Today I'm going to show you how you get the official ChatGPT application for your iPhone. Okay, so if you're watching sometime in the future, you can easily download the app by going to the App Store and then typing in ChatGPT, and it should come up as one of the first results. But as you can see, because the app is brand new, it's not actually on the App Store search page right now. So how did we get it? Well, the first thing you need to do is to click on the link in the description of this video, and that will take you to the OpenAI website, more specifically the introduction of the new ChatGPT app for your iPhone. Now you can scroll through this webpage and it's going to tell you more information about the application. However, to download it, you want to click on download on the App Store, and this will bring up the App Store on your phone. And as you can see, the ChatGPT app will appear. So to download it on our phone, we just need to click on the little download icon beneath the title, and it begins to download to your phone, and this could take a couple of seconds. So once it's downloaded, you just want to go ahead and open the application, and this is what it's going to look like when you first open it up. So all we need to do now is go ahead and sign in with our OpenAI accounts that we would use for the ChatGPT website. And in this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager to enter in my account information. So when you first log in, it's going to tell you some information about ChatGPT, just as it would on the website when you first log into that. So when you're ready, you want to click on continue, and then you can go ahead and start using ChatGPT just as you would on the website. Now what's really cool about the ChatGPT application is that it syncs all of your data with the website. So as you can see, I'm chatting with ChatGPT right now, but if I want to go to one of my old conversations, you can click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and it's going to give you a few options. You can rename your current conversation as well as delete it, and you can also go to your history, and you can see your past conversations you've had with ChatGPT, including the ones on the website. So here, if I click on optimal gameplay bitrate, I can see the conversation that I had previously on the website. You can also quickly start a new chat by clicking on the three dots again, clicking on new chat, and it will refresh the page. And if you are interested in subscribing to ChatGPT Plus, you can click on the three dots again, click on settings, and here you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, where you can toggle it from ChatGPT 3 to ChatGPT 4. And that is how you get ChatGPT for iOS. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.